In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on voice chat on Overwatch 2. Enabling voice chat is important for coordinating with your team on Overwatch 2. So here's how you can do that. Open your Overwatch 2 game and make sure that you're inside this page. From the main home page, click on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu, select Options. Click on the Sound tab on the next page appearing at the top. Under Sound, click on Voice Chat. Make sure all of the buttons on this page are enabled. You can set your voice chat mic volume, enable all of the options under Channels. Make sure that all of the options are enabled and turned on, and after you are done, you can go back and start your game. That way, you should be able to enable voice chat on Overwatch 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another video. Goodbye till then.